Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing video, but it's an unboxing video with a bit of a twist. I've done this on an unboxing video before. You guys really enjoyed it. It's basically that I show you how to style up the product. So do stay tuned till the end if you want to see how I style up this product in 3 different ways for daytime, workwear, and for evening. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. I upload twice a week and I would love to have you back on my channel. I've always enjoyed my videos about accessorizing, and you know that it is something that's kind of really true to my style. I love accessorizing and I think it's such a great way to lift any look. And if you haven't seen my previous video that I did about how to accessorize to elevate your look, then I will link it on the screen now so you guys can go and have a watch. But today I have a very fun unboxing to do. I'm really excited to do this one. And it's from a brand called Filippo Loreti. They very kindly sent me this product to review. So this is the box. It comes in a beautiful black box, and as many of you may have guessed, it is one of my favorite accessories, and it is a watch. And look at how beautiful that is. It is in rose gold, and it is just a classic kind of white sphere, and yeah, I think it's so beautiful. I had already seen the watch on the website because I obviously chose this model, and they do have a variety of different models, but this one was the one that I most liked. So I'm going to take it out because I'm so excited to see what this one looks like. So the watch is beautiful. It has the day, the date, and the month. And then obviously it has the time. It just has like little lines to signify the numbers, and then it's got this beautiful rose gold mesh, and then it has the sphere in white with the sapphire crystal over the top. And I really like, I have to say that I had a peep into the box before I filmed this video, but basically this is the lock, and what you can do is from the back you can adjust this to make the strap as long or as short as you want it. If the strap is too long, I do know that you could send it back and they would adjust it for you, but for me it was fine. You just basically adjust this, and then what you do is you just, oops, I'm putting it the wrong way around. So you just pop it on, and then the closure is like a traditional sort of chain watch. You just sort of fold it over, just click, and then you can pop the extra bit through this little bit here so that the chain's not sort of hanging. As you can see, it's a beautiful watch. The dial is quite big. It's a 40mm dial, but I really like big watches, as you guys know from my Chopard watch and the Jord watch, which I ordered recently. And yeah, it's just so beautiful. I think it's such a classic watch, and I think it's so wearable. It would fit lots of different styles. And I'm going to give you a little bit of history on the brand, just so you guys know a little bit more about it if you've never heard of it. Filippo Loreti is an Italian brand, and basically it was started up by 2 brothers who were kind of fed up that luxury watches are so overpriced. The reality is that in most cases you're almost paying 4,000% the cost price of a watch when you're buying a luxury watch. So they really wanted to make luxury watches affordable for everyone so that everyone could have access to them, and they decided to make these luxury watches with the same kind of machinery and the same sort of craftsmanship that luxury watches have, but they were all going to be priced at under $250, which I think is absolutely amazing because it kind of gives you access to this kind of really classic luxurious design which can definitely elevate an outfit, and which looks absolutely great, and a watch is so elegant if worn in the right way. So I think it's absolutely amazing that they made the price so accessible to everyone. They have lots of different models. This one is the Venice Moonphase design, and you have this one with a white sphere, and then you also have it with a blue, which I think is really lovely. I went for the white because I already have my Chopard in green, which is quite a striking color, but you do get this one in blue as well, and it was so beautiful. And you get it in the rose gold, you also get it in like a normal yellow gold, and you also get it in the silver. And what it comes with, if you order it from their website, is it comes with a free leather strap, which is amazing because obviously then you can switch it up and wear it with the gold mesh chain or silver mesh chain, or you can wear it with the leather strap. So I think that makes it really versatile, and obviously I think with the leather strap for a casual look, it would look really lovely, and then with the gold mesh strap, it would look very kind of sophisticated and elegant and a little bit more girly. So definitely a very versatile watch. I think the quality is absolutely amazing. And one thing I wanted to show you guys, actually, I'm going to just pop it off, is the back. It is so beautiful. I don't know how well actually you can see that. Let me see if I can open it completely. So this is the back of the sphere, and as you can see, it has a beautiful engraving there of the Basilica di San Marco, which is so stunning. I think that's such a beautiful and unique feature. I know it's something that most people don't see, but I just thought it was such a lovely detail, and it just shows the kind of attention to detail they have on their products. As you can see also, the product is quite, you know, well made. It's really lovely and rounded, and it has quite a thick sort of sphere, which shows the quality of the watch. So yeah, overall I'm so impressed with the kind of quality it has. It feels kind of heavy, and not only does it look nice, but it definitely feels like it's good quality. The watch is all stainless steel, and I think it's definitely a watch that can elevate your look in so many ways. I'm going to show you 3 ways to style up this watch. One is going to be a more kind of workwear style. You can definitely wear this to work because it's such a classic timepiece, but I think because it has the rose gold, it just kind of adds a bit of more glam to your look. And if you're wearing a very plain look like the one I'm going to show you, which is a full black look, I think it could definitely elevate the outfit. It also is such a great piece for me in rose gold because it just matches so beautifully this Cartier ring that I have, and I just think it's so nice. It combines really, really well with my jewelry. It also matches really well with this kind of white gold and diamond bracelet that I have. I think together they look really, really lovely. So you can definitely kind of mix metals. I think it's a look that I really, really love. And then in terms of looks, like I was saying, it's definitely appropriate for work, but you could also wear this watch on a more casual way. I'm going to show you how to style it up for a kind of weekend look, and then I'm also going to show you how you can wear this in the evening, because even though it has a big dial, because it's still quite kind of thin and dainty, you can definitely pull this off for an evening look, and I think it would look so glamorous. Okay guys, well those were the 3 looks. I do have some great news for you guys. I have a discount code for you. It's all linked down in the info box below. It's a $25 discount code, so do definitely check it out if you guys want to order. I'm also going to link down my most favorite models from the brand. The brand does ship worldwide, and they also have a 90-day return policy in case you're not happy with your purchase, and they offer a 10-year warranty as well. So I'm super impressed with this watch. I think I'm going to get loads of wear out of it, and if I do, you will definitely see it pop up in my Instagram and on my other videos. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you do get your hands on one of these watches and how you decide to style it up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!